What's up guys, it's Sean from Tint Warriors and we are here with a quick update on the winner to the previous video's contest where we had the viewers count how many times I or Ernesto said TintWiz in the video to win a $200 Amazon gift card. Now today we're gonna use the wheel up here. Look at that, there's only 6 people that guessed the correct answer, and how many people submitted? 80, 70, somewhere around there. It's not that many, but it's a lot. Only 6 people got the right number. A lot others were close by 1 or 2. Let's get right to it. We're gonna spin this wheel. What do I do? Click. We're gonna spin this wheel and then we're gonna call whoever the person is that won, and then we're gonna send them the $200 Amazon gift card. And then in the next video, we might bump it up a notch with the prize. In this video, I highly recommend that you stick around. I'm gonna say TintWiz, 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 TintWiz. TintWiz says TintWiz. TintWiz. TintWiz is TintWiz. 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 TintWiz production. TintWiz. 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 TintWiz mug. TintWiz. 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 I mean, TikTok. TintWiz, TintWiz, oh, Venti. TintWiz, 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 you later. All right, here we go. I'm assuming it's a space bar. Oh. Who's it gonna be? How long is it gonna spin for? I'm gonna pick Isaac. No. Oh. Oh. Watch it land perfectly on his name. Oh. Oh, what? Oh my God. No way. That's a very finicky wheel. Adolfo, let's give him a call. That was like, I started sweating. Oh my God. Hopefully he answers. Most of the time people don't answer when I do this, and we got a new office we're building back here. It's a little rough right now. Let's see if he answers.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going? This is Sean from Tint Warriors, the YouTube channel.
Sean?
From Tint Warriors, you did the submission for the TintWiz video for the $200 Amazon gift card?
Was it the counting of what's the word?
TintWiz?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Adolfo, right?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you won the $200 Amazon gift card.
Dude, that's awesome.
That's
no
good.
Way.
Do you usually watch the channel, or do you just find it and...
Dude, I just finished my lunch break, and I just came across one of your videos. It was like 9 years ago. It said the tint job in 9 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I usually watch you all the time.
That's awesome.
Literally 10 minutes ago, I just finished that video.
Oh, you just watched it now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you deserve this $200 Amazon gift card. That's awesome. I'm going to send it to your email by the end of today or early tomorrow morning. Just check your email for that, and I'm going to put you in the next day in the life video, this recording of the phone call. Is that cool?
Totally, definitely, man.
Awesome, man. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
All right, Sean. Take care.
Thank you. Bye. And it was to a long-term subscriber, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so I'm gonna send him his Amazon gift card, and in the next video we might crank it up a little bit to a little bit more than $200, because that was fun, and I like the interactions that we were getting, and all the views and likes and subscribes and all that good stuff. So keep an eye out for the next video. Maybe we'll give an update on our project that we're working on here, and what's going on in the shop, and why it's such a mess, and the next day in the life is coming soon. Back to work I go. Back to lunch I go. TintWiz, 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 TintWiz,